Finally, let's have a look at these last two options. These are for generating video, so these are interesting for us. We can interpolate or kind of zoom into a generated image. So let's start with the interpolation. We give it a number of frames we want to generate. I'm just going to make a short one here. Yeah, 40 is fine. You need to give it a starting seed. This can be a random number, but you don't want it to be the same, the end seed. You want the end seed to be different. Otherwise, you won't have any thing happening. And we're going to start with a gorilla in a restaurant looking at his phone. And the end prompt looking at the camera. And we can add some more keywords like cinematographic, dramatic, highly detailed. I mean, just try out what works. I'm going to use the same here. And this is going to take a while. Make sure you choose your model. So to do some tests, I would recommend to sort of try out this this prompt in text to image. Try the model you want to use. Also try the seed, the starting seed we're going to use, and see what this looks like. So by doing this, you can determine that the starting image you have corresponds to the starting frame you're going to use for the interpolation. Because once you start generating the video, it'll just go generate like 40 images. It's going to take a lot of time. Oh gosh, we don't want this. Clear, none. Okay, generate again. Okay, let's say this is fine. We keep this prompt, 1, 2, 3, 4, epic realism. So now we go to our interpolator. This is our starting seed. We could have generated the end seed also to see what that looks like. Number of frames and the model, epic, I think this was the one. And now we started. And I'm going to speed this up, because this is going to take a while now. And here we have it. This is the generated image. So I generated 40 frames, one by one, assuring that there's a smooth transition between each frame. You can save this simply by clicking on save. It's going to be an animated GIF. Save this on my desktop. And here you have it. Here's some other examples. You can also use the same prompt and just change the seed. That's what I did here, for example. So here the prompt is a bush in front of a wall in black and white. I used the same prompt here and here, but I just changed the seed number. So it's basically the same thing evolving over time. It might make sense if you want to use this in an video edit later to adjust the pixel width here, for example, so it's closer to something you can throw into resolve or jitter. And that's it.